الله الحمد لله الذي بنعمته تتم الصالحات أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله وأشهد أن محمدا عبده ورسوله وبعد. Okay, first of all, let's introduce myself. My name is Aziza Mutaharatul Jannah, student ID number 20400124028. And here I wanna explain my answer the assessment A from Introduction to Linguistics. Syntax is commonly known as the study of sentence structure. Syntax means the process of combining words from phrases and phrases to form sentences. Without syntax, it will be very difficult to put words in a good order which other constantly make sentence givers and understandable to native speaker or sentence language. Yes, I agree with that because which is very important to sentence meaning recognition in language. In English, for example, the meaning of I maths learning linguistic is very different from maths I learning linguistic and is mainly in listening linguistic I learning. The all definition, there are the list to underlying concept to understand what syntax is the concept of sentence and concept of structure. The concept of a sentence refers to the larger unit of language structure from a group of words. The typical has a descriptor and predicate. The concept of structure refers to the arrangement for a group of words playing shape of sentence. We are able to produce these sentences not because our brain has stored them, but simply because our brain stores not only words with their linguistic properties, but also a set rules of the use or range. The words from phrases, clauses as will be a sentence are used to present message in our mind. In this knowledge that enable to recognize the produce unlimited number in our sentence and in our brain. In every day, we use our knowledge for language to make and understand sentences we even have never been used and heard before. In this regard, Carl L. Yeager and determined state that the number of sentences making the produce understand is unlimited, but his hard knowledge sentence actually produce are not there for syntax studies unlimited sentence to find limited set or rules grammar from which the unlimited sentence is constructed. Okay, that's all my answer from assessment A, Introduction to Linguistics, and thank you for attention and thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.